Hello and welcome! In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to control your comment settings in the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Managing comments is important to keep your Snapchat experience safe and enjoyable. Let's dive into the process. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Comments Settings. Tap on Comments Settings, where you will see three options: manually approve each comment, automatically approve comments from your friends, automatically approve comments from everyone. Choose the option that best fits your privacy preferences. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to control who can comment on your Snapchat posts using the app on Android. Adjust these settings anytime to keep your account secure and your Snapchat experience comfortable.